You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I know it looks pretty simple, but it confuses a lot of people, so make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more vocabulary videos here to learn. British English pronunciation is different from the American. British English is as hollow, ha, with an O sound, ha, low, hollow. American English pronounces it as hollow, so it's more open ah sound, hollow. In the US, hollow versus hollow in British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.